Okay. Okay. Let's go. I've been on the roll. What's going on, everybody? Hope y'all having a beautiful day. Now, let's see how well I do now. Let's go. Let's get this started. I was killing it. My first game was 98. I had like 98,000 something, and last one was 34,000 something. I just came back and took it in the last round. So let's see what goes. Let's see what goes down.
Hello, everyone. How are you? Good to see so many people here. I hope you're all well.
Let's go. I'm confident. Win, lose, or draw. I'm gonna have fun.
How are you doing today? Well, I'll take that as a great. I'm sure you're ready to get started. It says here, well, it doesn't say much.
You are ready. Yes, you are ready.
Silence, Thank you for joining us today. Your outfit looks quite interesting. You must have visited the customization menu. Get ready for the...
Every time I watch this game on
Category
TV,
one
I feel
is
like
same name.
I always do good, but if I was on this show, it'd probably be different. I don't know. Same name.
It looks like you're ready to solve contestant number 3.
Speech and test pattern. Okay, that threw me off.
Are we ready for another toss-up round?
Definitely didn't know
The
they were
amount
going with that one.
is $2,000, and the category is things.
Things. Yeah, let's see.
Contestant number 3, please solve.
Floats and then what the heck?
Are we all ready to start? Yes?
My mind
Let's
wasn't
get to
on
our
that.
places. I think it's time to start this round. The category is food and drink.
Here we go. It's always
Contestant
food.
number 3, go ahead and take the first spin.
All right, number 3. Let's go. Let's see what you come up with.
550. I'm sorry, there are none on the board.
Here we go already. Come on. Look how I got her well dressed.
$650.
And we want that trip to France too. All right, food and drink. Let's see.
We have 1 R. Don't go and spend it all out at once now.
And we want the car. Well, it's a Thunder truck.
800.
800. Let's see.
Yes, we have some S's.
I just bet you do. What do we have going now? I'm gonna spin again. I'd rather take the chance of going bankrupt now. Plus, I don't want to buy a vowel right now. I want to steal from one of them. That's my strategy.
500. We have 1 H.
Food and drink.
Good job. Keep that going. You'll be heading home a winner tonight.
Okay, tell you what.
Sure, you can buy a vowel. What would you like? We have 1 I.
I'm trying to help myself because I still have no idea what this food and drink is. Okay, 700. Let's see.
700. Yes, we have some C's. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight.
That's right. I can afford it. Let me see.
you'd like to buy a vowel, you can. We have 1A.
Watch it be something I don't eat. All right, let's see.
If you'd like to buy a vowel, you've got the cash, so yes, we have some O's.
Some kind of casserole. Okay, don't go bankrupt or lose a turn. That should be fine. Yeah, we want that trip to France. Okay. I'm going with the L. That last word is
Yes,
casserole.
we have some L's. Go ahead. Pick up that.
I'm going to France, baby. Okay, let's see. What is it? Something.
What vowel would you like? Will we get any help on this?
No, I meant to press A. It might be for the better. Okay. Hey. I've been playing my Switch so long. I'm still in my. Yeah, I'm playing this on the Series X. In my mind, I'm
We
still
have one.
something casserole. What?
That's a very
Something
good
noodle.
one.
Is it something noodle casserole? There you go. Lose a turn.
That's too bad.
I don't know which one is smarter out of the computer AI. So let me see. Something noodle casserole. Last game, we all went bankrupt one at a time.
500. Yes, we have
And I still
some
won.
N's.
Something noodle casserole.
Great job. That's quite a bit of cash in your pocket now.
No, don't go. I don't need him to lose a turn. I need him to give me one more letter. Let me get at least
Wow,
one more.
Not a single one on the board. I'm sorry. Sure, you can buy a vowel. Yes, we have some.
Okay, now all the vowels are brought up. What is this? What the? That first word just threw me off. And then after somebody else solved it, that's when you go, oh, that's what it was. It was so simple.
650. Unfortunately, that's
What the
not
hell is
we
that
need.
word? Somebody's gonna get it. Unless they
Contestant number 2. Go
chow
ahead.
mein. Wow. Okay, chow mein noodle casserole. Not something I'm familiar with and talk about.
Wow, that is incredible. How did you come up with that?
Because I
We
couldn't.
don't want to keep our
My
contestants
opponent
waiting
couldn't.
any longer. So
Okay.
let's start the
Nice,
game. I
nice.
think it's time to start this round. The category is food and drink.
Here we go. Food and drink.
Contestant
Give me something that
number
I
one,
eat.
Go ahead and
Damn
take
it.
the first spin.
Chow mein noodle casserole. I don't eat that. Okay. What are we doing here? 600. Okay.
600.
First letter we're going for. I have no idea what's up there, so let's just go for it.
We have one R.
I knew noodle and casserole. I'm just for that. I'm like, what?
$6.50. Yes, we have some S's.
Food and drink.
Well, that is a healthy amount to add to your winnings tonight.
And then when they go into the next, like, people,
It's a free play. You have a free play. So take another spin. Yes, we have some teas. Don't go and spend all that at once now.
That's right. Okay. You know what? Start buying some
If you'd
vowels.
like to buy a vowel, you've got the cash, so what would you like? Yes, we have some O's.
I don't want to go bankrupt. I don't want to go bankrupt. All right.
We have one H. Good
Okay,
job.
so
Keep that
mushrooms is
going.
that last
I'm a
word.
winner
And
tonight.
that's what I was thinking. Okay, something.
If you'd like to buy a vowel, you can do that. We have one A. Sure, you can buy a vowel. What would you like?
See,
Yes, we have
I
some
spend
U.
because I don't want them to solve it. Like if I don't want to go bankrupt. Sauteed something mushrooms.
You've certainly got the money. Yes, we have some E's.
Here we go, man. You know what? I gotta spend. And I just hope I don't go on bankrupt. Or lose a turn. Because they might have enough to solve it. Right there, 600. I'm good.
600. Yes, we have some M's.
What is that word? Sauteed.
Good job. Keep that going. You'll be heading home a winner tonight. Contestant number 1, go ahead and solve.
I never heard of sauteed button mushrooms. But
Wow, that is incredible.
I looked at the word
How'd you
and
come
I'm
up with
feeling
that?
like that's the only thing that made sense to spell.
You're here at the right time, as it's time for the prize round. The winner will be getting a special prize on top of the
Okay,
cash.
so far I didn't go
category
bankrupt
is
the whole, or lose a
showbiz.
turn the whole round. All right,
Contestant number 2,
showbiz.
why don't you go ahead and take the first spin? Are we gonna make it? 650. Yes, we have some L's.
Showbiz.
Not bad. You've got quite a bit of money now.
Yeah, and another one that throws you off a lot is probably is when they have the category of things, because things can
No, we
actually
don't
be
seem to
someone's
have any
job
of
title,
those.
and it just throws you sometimes. But I usually win. If I play 10 times, I'll win at least 8 or 9. We'll see what happens now. Okay, so he's trying to get that truck. I want
There
that
are
truck.
none on the
I already
board.
got the trip for France. Okay, showbiz. Showbiz. Remember back in the day, in those movies, they would always tell people, "You'll never make it in this business."
800.
Like the nerve. Showbiz. All right, let's look at what's here. Let's go with an S.
Yes, we have some S's.
Let's go with an S. That many
Great
boxes.
job. That's quite
There you
good.
go. That's right. That's right. I don't want to go bankrupt.
moving key.
Didn't matter what I wanted that round, right?
Wow, I'm very sorry.
Okay,
Just
let's
try
go.
to keep positive thoughts now.
Shut up. You're not helping.
Sure, you can buy a vowel. Wow, not a single one on the board. I'm sorry. $800. Will we get any help on this?
So me and
It
you are
seems
broke,
we're
brother.
out of luck.
So if I go bankrupt and lose a turn now, it doesn't matter, right? Okay, now I want that truck. Let me see, what else may be here? Let's go with the T.
Yes, we have some T's.
Yeah, so the truck is mine.
I know you must be excited to go
That's
hop in
right.
that car and drive.
It's a
but we
nice
still
white
have
pickup.
some of the show left, so hang on.
Okay, now I'm right back on the board. Now let's see. Was it first? No. Oh, that's all one word. Let me just spin. Because I don't have that much. 1,500. So if the same thing happens, I'm depending on one of them to
900.
screw up. I start putting those vowels in, they end up, let me see.
We have one W. I guess you'll be paying for dinner tonight.
That's another reason why you can solve it easier when you're watching it.
Wow, not a single one on the board.
Okay, so I know that that's not
If
the
you'd
first
like to
thing.
buy a vowel, yes, we have some E's.
You're not on the clock, so you can sit there through all three opponents' turns and look at it. But when you're playing it, it's like you have that 60 seconds or 40 seconds or whatever the hell it is.
Ouch.
Okay, give your money back to the
Preparation is
government.
always a painful
Let's see.
one.
All right. Okay, is that west or best? Let me see.
We're gonna hit it.
Okay, I want that trip too. I want everything.
Yes, we have some Y's.
West or west?
Go ahead. Hard from
Okay, I'm not a hater, bro.
$1,000.
Enjoy your trip, brother. Enjoy your trip. Let me see. What's that? I'll drive you there in my new truck. All right. Let's see.
700.
700.
Unfortunately, that's not what we need.
All right, I'm gonna spin. I'm gonna spin. Whatever happens, happens. But I'm gonna spin.
650.
Okay, 650.
We have one B.
Okay, so it's best.
Great job. That's quite a bit of cash in your pocket now.
Whew. Yeah, this is a tough one. 900.
900.
This is a tough one. Okay, let's go with it.
Yes, we have some N's. Good
Yes.
job. Keep that going, and you'll be heading home a winner tonight.
I feel like if I start getting these vowels now and I don't get it, somebody else is going to. So I'd rather risk losing it. 800.
800. Yes, we have some R's. Don't go and spend it all out at once now.
Best something just on. Alright.
If you'd like to buy a vowel, you can do that. We have one O.
Best something Tony Award.
If you'd like to buy a vowel, yes, we have some A's.
Nope, stay right there.
We have one C. That's a fair bit of cash you picked up.
Best lead actress in a play. You know what? Let me just go
number
for
one. Your chance to solve.
Yeah. Okay. Especially when you don't really talk about certain things, so those phrases and terms, you don't hear all the time, but then it's like, okay. So yeah, a lot of this stuff I'm just looking at what makes sense, but I wasn't sure. I felt like if I blew it right there, one of them probably would have solved it. Yeah, baby, we're going to Hawaii.
Going snorkeling and whale watching. It's worth $7,000
in my new truck. So sorry, you know, third guy, I can't, because I'm going away myself in my truck.
$3,000, and the category is rhyme time.
Oh, come on, rhyme time. Wow.
Are you ready to solve?
Is it handy dandy?
Contestant number 2, your chance
The
to
hell
solve.
is this? Yep. That's what I said. And she got it before me. I didn't press the button the second time.
Category is
Okay.
thing.
And I said it.
Here goes one last spin.
Every time he spins it, it never lands on bankrupt or loser terms. It never will, right? Alright. Thing.
Do we have any of those? No, I'm sorry. Wow, not a single one on the board. I'm sorry. We have one A. Contestant number 1, your chance to solve.
No, I'm not ready for that right now.
We have one S.
That was what I was gonna pick at first, and I went for A. So okay, no problem, no harm done.
Cash in your pocket now. Contestant number 2, your chance to solve. We have one O. Contestant number 3, your chance to solve.
B. Let's do a start on the page.
We have one E.
Starts on the page.
Contestant number 1, would you like to solve?
No. Not ready. Not ready.
I'm sorry, there are none on the board.
Okay. What did she try? An L? Yeah,
Will
no
we
L.
get any help on this? It seems we're out of luck. Yes, we have some N's. Not bad. We've got quite a bit of money now. Contestant number 1, your chance to solve.
A thing. One of them might steal. I don't know. I can't. Get
Yes, we have some T's.
that. Something bonnet.
Don't go and spend all that at once now.
Don't tell me that state.
Contestant number
That's,
2,
no,
your
straw
chance to
straw
solve.
bonnet. Okay, I wouldn't have got that one. That's not a phrase I'm even familiar with either.
I
A
am
thing, rather.
speechless. Did you just pull that out of thin air?
I think I still have the most money. I think I'm still in the Okay.
Our lucky contestant looks eager to start the bonus round, so let's get over there.
Let's go.
Let's go over here now.
I'm following you. Look how well dressed I have
Event.
her. Event.
Contestant, we will give you the typical letters R, S, T, L, N, and E. Contestant, please, would you give us 3 consonants and a vowel?
I gotta give you all the consonants first, okay?
I was pretty sure you were going to get that one.
Okay, I got this. I got this one.
Just a few moments to solve, so go quickly.
Okay.
I think you'll feel good about
Wow.
this. You
Yeah,
can
my highest
add
so far was 90, I
$50,000
think
to your winnings.
98,000 I had. And 90, yeah, something like that. Yes, sir. 68,000 this time, okay. We'll take it. And we're going to Hawaii in our brand new pickup. Oh yes, this was fun. Okay, so I'll dress her differently now. She has a whole wardrobe of nice things to wear. All right, Chuck. All right, Diane. It was real and it was fun, but Clarissa has to go now. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Wheel of Fortune, baby.